Welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. Got a little auction snag. Got a park metal toolbox, tackle box. Not sure. It's like the old flambeau split tops from back in the 70s. Uh, Made by Park out of Illinois. Thought it was kind of cool. It's got some odd bits in it. I liked what I found in it for the pictures. Uh, so, you want to hang out? Let's go check it out, see what's in there. Welcome back to Bigfoot's Cave. Here's the Park split top toolbox, tackle box design. As you can see, the handle's in very bad shape, but the rest of the box got some minor tugging and pulling on it, but I think this box will clean up really nice. Still got the placard that's in really good shape. I could probably tidy this up, probably strip this down and somehow redo that. But like the old flambeau tackle boxes when I was a kid in the 70s. I think it's pretty wild. I love it. See what all is inside. Well, if you've worked on any kind of snap rings, you know what these are. So I got plenty. Be nice to have extra bits. Oop, got some washers. Got some springs. Got a rivet. Got a grease gun end. Got a handful of those. Don't need them. That's a old 90. No name on them. Pretty cool though. Ooh, bring a bag of clips. Oh. There we go. OEM. I'm assuming this was a handmade because obviously this was put on the wrong direction. This is supposed to be on this side, so those go through there. So either somebody didn't know what they were doing or they tried to fabricate something on their own. Sorry, my squirrel's getting loose and this irritates me. Pull it. Drop it out. I don't know if those even belong to that, to be honest with you. That draws in, draws out. Because I know I have a set that does that. Those draw out, draw in. Reversibles. Okay. My bust, my fail. But yeah, I question whether those even go to it. I don't think they do. Because I think these do. That's what allows the pin to drop in properly. So we go that side. Yeah. I think he didn't have the proper something tells me he didn't have the proper head to it. Didn't have the proper head, so he just made it happen. That's cool. These are OEMs. Those are keepers. Hamilton. Somebody got hungry. So, handle's good. That's not. Might be able to take that off and use it on a small, recycle that handle. It's in good shape, still pliable. Gotta love the extras. Another pair of OEM. This is for the individual bits. Cool. More OEMs. I can get these cleaned up a little bit. You know, Scott Crafter and his tub of towels that he likes. Made in Hong Kong. Primus, made in Austria. Sparker. Well, it should have been a Sparker. Let me turn it the other way just in case I'm going the wrong way. Oh, that's not doing what it's supposed to do. Not hitting and turning. Yep. Oh. There we go. It's cheap. Got a nice wood handle to it. I may have to tweak and tune it. Pair of scissors at No Name. Whoa, the biggest ball peen ever. I like that. Clean that head up. Chop that down. See if I can reseat it. That little one, that would work. I got use for that one. Piece of pipe. Ooh. That's nice and heavy. That works. 3M. That weighs a lot. Keep that. New Britain. Very nice. Another T50. This be a quick wipe up. Got staples in it. Already got a handful of these. Still works, still fires. Got 1,000 staples. Here's another 1,000. Oh, this'll. I might have to see if I can clean that one up. Goodness. I don't know if there's a name on it or not, but oh, I'd love to work this one as a project because I love that handle. Chunk of metal, the whale on stuff. Can always use that. $0.97. Don't have a need for it, but it's hardware. Got a little clamp, a little 2-inch clamp maybe. Made in the USA. Yep, 2-inch clamp. You can never have too many clamps. A homemade whatever. Love homemade stuff. Wow. I've seen one. No, I don't think I've ever seen one that small. Ones I got are every bit of about an inch thick. That's nice. Imperial tubing toolkit. Some of it's here. Number 10 rigid tubing cutter. Got a general. Oh, Cornwell. Nice. So I got two. None of them were the Imperial, but no biggie. I do like the 10 though. What we got here? Weens and Plath, Alvin, Germany. I can't see what that says because I can't read. That might say Germany too. Cool. Don't need it. There's 4 more. Oh, my goodness. This is the biggest one I've ever seen. Or let me rephrase that. Not the biggest, the most comprehensive thread and pitch gauge. I don't think I've ever... I have some thread and pitch gauges, but I've never seen one with this kind of variety to it. That is a massive amount. $4 to $64. I'll have to tidy that up. 4 to 18 there. 52 to 84 there. 20 to 50 there. So this is a lot. Oh, that's awesome. Really like that. Wow, I haven't seen one of these since I was a kid. Last time I saw one of these was when we were in art class in elementary school working with clay. That's the last time I used one of these. EBB and SNY, or sorry, EBB and S, New York. Seen better days for sure, but sure it's still usable. Oop. Miller Falls. Oh, I bet that'll tidy up. I got a nice little pick. That'll clean up. I was using picks while cleaning stuff. Oh, for those of us with some age, I'm pretty sure you know what this is. Wow. It's definitely been a minute since I've seen one of these. Last 2 items that I can see. Wow. I don't even know if that thing's been used. Very nice. There's something in here, maybe. Can't get my big paws in there. And that's why we got to pick. Pull stuff out. Is it empty or not? I hear something rattling. Ooh. There we go. That's awesome. That is very cool. Not a bad little, a lot of cool pieces. Not a bad little haul out of this. I just thought the box was awesome. That's not just the box, but as you see from the inside, the box is in great shape overall. Just need a little tidying on the outside. Lots of cool stuff. Let's say, out of everything I found, I like these two the best. I can tighten that up, shim it, clean that up. That'd be a good little close person, but I can't wait to work on this one and get this one tidied up. Probably that, I don't see any names on it. Could be hiding under all the gunk and grime, but that'll be cool. Thanks for watching. Sorry it went a little long. My squirrels got loose in there. Lots of cool stuff. Got it pretty cheap. A couple dents here. No biggie. Be safe out there. Have fun hunting, finding cool treasures. Thanks for those that watch, those that have subscribed. Just enjoy. Hope your weather's good. Check you out next time.